Shurtape Technologies is one of the fastest growing pressure-sensitive adhesive tape companies in the world today. And while a lot of people are already familiar with our Frog Tape brand painter's tape, which features our paint block technology, we're here at the Builder Show launching some of our new products. In addition to a building envelope seaming tape featuring UV cured acrylic adhesive technology that's totally unique, we also are here launching our brand new Duck Pro by Shurtape BR code scannable tapes and labels solution. What those solutions are is unique codes that are dynamic, that when you scan them using the free downloadable app, allows you to attach a digital record to almost anything in the physical world. Things like a photograph, links to video, instructions. Those instructions can also be with one touch translated to Spanish. You can also attach the GPS location every time the product is scanned, so you can know when it was scanned and by who. And there's also security profiles that you can create, so you can use it to manage projects and increase the team's productivity substantially via technology. And we know all the challenges that you can get from having availability of workers these days. Making your workers more productive is a way you can grow your business, and BR Code can help you accomplish that. So additionally, the labels come in 4 different formats. There's a paper tape, a duct tape version, and then there's a label and an extreme label version. And it depends on whether you're going to use it in indoor, outdoor, permanent, or temporary application. So there's kind of a tape or label for each job need. So we're really excited to be here at the show. It's our opportunity to interact with lots of future end users of the product. And the best thing about BR Code is its possibilities. We already know that it's excellent for things like asset management tracking, safety, and also maintenance records. But what we continue to hear from people is other ideas that they instantly come up with, like, this can really help me with productivity on my job site if I use it for this. And this could really help me expand my business if I use it for this. And so we're super excited to have that chance to interact with the end users. And really, we're really excited about this product launch. So beyond the show, people can connect with us online at shurtape.com to learn more about our product portfolio and our exciting new BR Code launch.